be adding way too much ingredients into slime today, and it's oddly satisfying. Let us know if you think adding too much stuff to slime makes it look better or worse. First up, we'll be adding a normal amount of gold leaf into slime before we start layering on too much. Time to poke. This mix of gold and clear slime just looks so beautiful. Now let's see what happens when we add even more gold leaf. And more. Now starting to look like egg yolk. Next, we have colored straws that will be cutting into smaller pieces and mixing into clear slime. It was flying everywhere when I was cutting it, so guys, if you try this at home, make sure you have a bowl to catch the straws. Again, we'll be mixing in the normal amount of straws to the slime. It looked really pretty and the colors were super cute, but time to add even more straws. Okay guys, so squishing this was actually a little painful. The straw would sometimes poke into your hands, so doing bubble pops with this slime is not that fun. Straw overload. Next, we'll be adding these cute little fruit slices into clear slime. This is how it looks like with the normal amount mixed in. This slime is actually really cute and satisfying the way it turned out, but now let's pour even more fruit slices. Okay, time to dump it in the bowl and mix the whole lot in. What do you guys think? Does it look better with this many fruit slices? For this next one, we'll be adding too much soft clay into slime. Wow, check it out guys, how cool does this look? It is so satisfying to look at. Absolutely love the colored cubes. It makes the slime so much more interesting. It feels bad to do this, but now we gotta squish our creation and see how it turns out. Oh my gosh, it's like one big marshmallow with colors popping out everywhere. It's so pretty. It's now getting a lot harder because of all the clay we put in, but still super fun to play with. Wow guys, check out how this color turned out. It looks so cool. Did not expect it to turn out like this. Kind of reminds me of like a green tea color. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me add too many ingredients into slime. Let me know which one was your favorite down below. And don't forget, we post 3 videos a week on this channel, so I'll see you guys super soon. Bye guys, love you! Mwah.